everyone. Today we're gonna make a bird out of paper which flaps its wings and looks like this. So it flaps like this way. So now to start making it, we need a square sheet of paper. Then we fold it this way like a triangle perfectly. So now after this, you take this half and fold it this way till here. It's not necessary to come in this side only. It may also come in other sides, but it's fine. So after this fold is over, there are two gaps here like this. One there and the other there, like pockets. So now put your hand in here, make your middle finger go and into this point here. The finger inside, take this piece here and remove it and try to make a square. Make this piece touch there, this way. Now twist it aside like this, hold it up and then take this half, that point, and then fold it this way. So you can see the shape should come like this. So after this, now we do the same thing as we did here. As the same, put your hand in the pocket and your middle finger should go till the tip, and then you hold.
Show the other side.
Here, this like this. So that way, this way, your middle finger should go until this tip here, and then just pull your finger out as it creates a bit of gap, and then take this point here and fold it till this point here. So that way you can make a square. Fold it tightly so that it doesn't come out. Now for the next step, take this point and fold it a bit like this to the middle point. As you can see, there's a line. So to the middle point you can just do this, and then open the triangle back up. You can see there will be a slight line out here. And now again open this pocket, take your middle finger from here and again put it from here till this point. So open it up, then take this point, hold it like this and open it up. So then it comes like this. Now take this line and fold it so that it overlaps with this line, the middle line, like this. Then keep slowly folding it so that even this here, this line as well, overlaps in the middle out here. So now after you fold and these lines overlap out here, take it like this and fold it up this way. Sometimes it will be a bit hard, so then at that time or that particular moment, keep your index finger in the folding part out here, then fold it. So if it's difficult, just pull your index finger there and just fold it like that until it comes like this. So like how we did to this side, like we folded out here, do the same with this side as well here. So it will be a proper bird and it will come out good. Again, overlap this line and this line with the middle line there. So like that way, you have to overlap these two lines into the middle line. So fold them properly like that. Then keep it tightly, fold it tightly with your nail or something like that, which is very heavy or has more force. So it will be more proper. And then after that, just to properly put it, fold it like this again. Then tightly fold the halves, the two sides. So now after this, you hold this part, any one part or this corresponding line, and then you fold it upwards like this, which is gonna be the wing for the bird here. And now, as we did in this side, we have to do the same thing right here in the back, so that we can make both the wings. Like now fold the triangle as how much it comes. So it should be like this, a proper corresponding line. And then open it back up. Put your middle finger back again in there. Your middle finger from here to this point there. You should be able to feel it. Then again, take these lines and overlap them with the one there. Properly like that. Slowly fold it, as then only it can be proper. So now after we fold this line, we again take this point and fold it till there properly. It might be coming out, but that's not an issue. So then do the same thing this half again. Fold these, overlap these two lines in here. Slowly. And put your index finger out here in this folding and fold it front ways like this. When you get a proper fold this way, and then open it back up like this and fold it backwards, behind ways like this. Now both the wings are ready. We have to get on to our front, which is the beak and the tail as well. So first you take one piece like this and then you fold it like this properly. This line should overlap with the wing starting, the wing's bottom. Fold it properly. Do the same thing with the one here also. There's one extra folding with this one as the beak, which you open this like with your thumb finger. You open this pocket out here like this, and then take your index finger and fold it backwards, like pull it this way towards you. And after that folds over, you fold this, make this come out there. Make sure it's a bit longer so it will be a proper beak. This way. Sometimes it may come a bit small as well. So now open this fold back again and fold it. So now you need to remove these two folds like this. Now we're almost come to the last part. Fold your paper like this. You can see there's a small gap out here. put your finger in here like this. And then after you do that, like there'll be a wall, like a wall, a stopping wall. Make your finger reach till the wall, and then hold your other left index finger out here and take your thumb, fold it this way so that this should come and touch the wing, this, just like that. Then fold it properly like this. So after this is done, we fold this that comes here, just like that. There'll be a few problems doing this. So that way. So as you do this side, you have to do the same thing this side. So again, hold it this way, open the pocket, make your index finger go inside this wall, there like that, and then pull this with your thumb out there, with your index finger there. So it should properly fold this way. Then fold it again as a half. So now we need to get back to the beak. So as we made a folding here, fold it again on the same folding by putting your thumb in here into this pocket and pulling the front beak part with your index finger, just like that. So this way your bird gets ready. Then you can pull the wings like this a bit. So here's your bird. And to flip it, you need to hold both your index finger and thumb finger like this in the front triangular part, and then take your other hand, thumb and index, hold this and keep pulling it, which will make it flap. So that's for today, guys. Bye guys, stay home, stay safe, and subscribe to my channel and like the video if you do. Bye.